Hello guys, welcome to HVAC Startup Technicians guys, and today I want to show you how to change a bad capacitor. You see we have two capacitors here, so we came onto this unit and we was not getting any microfarads on both of those. So what you're going to want to do once you come on and the unit is not working and you verify that your unit inside is running, you're going to take this off. We'll take the wire off. We have one wire that goes to common. The blue wire is for HOME, which is the compressor, and the brown wire, that is for your fan. And you go turn your meter, as you see I have my meter turn here, to microfarads, and then you're going to take each lead and test, put one on each, and see if the same rating on the back. On the back now we know this is a 45.5, so we want to kind of test and see what we're getting. And then you could test the old one. We already went ahead and tested the old one and we realized it was completely dead. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead, put on this new one, and we're gonna come back and when you're doing this guys, make sure you turn your disconnect off. You don't wanna get electrocuted. And we're gonna turn this back on and we're gonna come on and hopefully that fixes the problem. All right guys, thank you for watching the video. Hello guys, so we come back and we have replaced the old capacitor, which is this, what is the new one. So if you come out and your fan is running out and your unit is not running, you want to check your capacitor, that might be the problem. So I just changed it and the system is working. So guys, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on our next video. Take care guys.